discovering the magnificence and splendor of Earth. The world is full of breathtaking places that captivate the mind and soul, each telling a unique story of human ingenuity and creativity throughout history. Since ancient times, people have sought to highlight the achievements of their civilizations, leaving behind architectural marvels that stand as timeless symbols of innovation and engineering excellence. From the wonders of the ancient world, of which only the pyramids of Giza remain, to the newly selected wonders, each holds its own magic and fascinating history. The Great Wall of China stretches across mountains and deserts, while Christ the Redeemer stands tall in Brazil, welcoming visitors with open arms. Machu Picchu in Peru reveals the mysteries of the ancient Inca civilization, offering a glimpse into a lost world. Exploring these wonders is not just a journey through places, but also through time, showing us how different cultures overcame challenges to leave an everlasting mark on history. We welcome you to an extraordinary experience of discovering the magnificence and splendor of Earth. Rome, the capital city of Italy, stands as a timeless symbol of art, culture, and history. Known as the Eternal City, his majestic architecture, rich heritage, and vibrant atmosphere continue to captivate visitors from around the world. Home to iconic landmarks such as the Colosseum, the Pantheon, and the Vatican City, it's a testament to the enduring legacy of the Roman Empire. Stepping into the streets of it is like embarking on a journey through centuries of civilization. The city's cobblestone roads lead to picturesque piazzas, grand fountains, and ancient ruins that tell the story of a bygone era. Lençóis Maranhenses is a breathtaking natural wonder located in northeastern Brazil. Known for its vast expanses of white sand dunes dotted with crystal-clear lagoons, it is a unique and enchanting destination for travelers seeking a truly unforgettable experience. The park's surreal landscape is a result of a combination of coastal winds and rain that create temporary lagoons during the rainy season, which typically lasts from January to June. Whether you are a nature lover, photographer, or simply a curious traveler, a visit to it is sure to leave you with memories that will last a lifetime. Bern, the capital city of Switzerland, is a picturesque and historical destination that embodies the country's rich cultural heritage. Located in the heart of the Swiss Alps, it is renowned for its well-preserved medieval architecture and charming old town that has been designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The city's iconic landmarks, such as the Zittglogge Clock Tower, the Federal Palace, and the Cathedral of Bern, showcase its unique blend of Gothic and Renaissance architectural styles. Overall, his blend of historical charm, cultural richness, and natural beauty makes it a must-visit destination for those seeking a unique and authentic Swiss experience. Amsterdam, the capital of the Netherlands, is one of the most popular European cities, attracting tourists with its unique blend of history, culture, and nature. The city is famous for its stunning canal network, earning it the nickname Venice of the North, as well as its historic buildings with traditional Dutch architecture. Amsterdam is also known for its cycling culture, as bicycles are the primary mode of transportation for its residents. The city is home to many famous landmarks, such as the Van Gogh Museum. The Rijksmuseum showcasing Dutch art masterpieces make Amsterdam an unforgettable destination for every visitor. Tenerife, the largest of Spain's Canary Islands, is a tropical paradise in the heart of the Atlantic Ocean. It is famous for its stunning beaches, unique volcanic landscapes, and mild year-round climate. Tenerife is not just a tourist destination, it's a place that blends natural beauty, history, and culture into a unique experience. If you're looking for a destination that combines relaxation and adventure, Tenerife is the perfect choice. Maldives, an archipelago of stunning tropical islands in the Indian Ocean, is a destination renowned for its pristine, white, sandy beaches, crystal-clear turquoise waters, and vibrant coral reefs. It boasts some of the world's most luxurious resorts, offering a unique blend of relaxation and adventure. It is also a haven for marine biodiversity, with its rich coral reefs teeming with colorful fish, sea turtles, and other marine life. Snorkeling and diving enthusiasts can explore the underwater wonders of it and witness the stunning diversity of marine species that call these waters home. It has something to offer every traveler, with its idyllic landscapes, luxury accommodations, and warm hospitality. It promises an unforgettable island experience like no other. Faroe Islands, located in the pristine North Atlantic Ocean, an autonomous territory of the Kingdom of Denmark, captivate visitors with their unparalleled natural beauty and rich cultural heritage. This archipelago of rugged landscapes, dramatic cliffs, and picturesque villages offers a unique blend of traditional charm and modern amenities. Whether seeking tranquility in nature or immersing oneself in the island's cultural tapestry, it offers a truly unforgettable travel experience. With its unspoiled landscapes, welcoming community, and rich history, this hidden gem in the North Atlantic is a must-visit destination for those seeking a unique and authentic travel experience. Lake Bled, located in the heart of Slovenia, is a breathtaking alpine lake known for its crystal-clear waters, picturesque island, and stunning mountain backdrop. With its fairy tale-like charm, medieval Bled Castle perched on a cliff, and the iconic Church of the Assumption on Bled Island, this destination is a must-visit for nature lovers and travelers seeking tranquility. It's more than just a scenic wonder. It's a place where history, culture, and nature harmoniously blend. Whether you come for the adventure, the relaxation, or the stunning views, it's a destination that leaves a lasting impression. Amalfi Coast, a stunning stretch of coastline in southern Italy, is a paradise of dramatic cliffs, colorful villages, and the sparkling waters of the Tyrrhenian Sea. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is renowned for its breathtaking beauty and timeless charm, attracting travelers from around the globe. From the vibrant town of Positano, with its pastel-hued buildings cascading down the hillsides, to the historic town of Amalfi and the serene allure of Ravello, each stop along the coast offers its own unique charm. It's a destination that captures the essence of Italian beauty, culture, and romance. It's a celebration of life's most delightful pleasures, leaving an imprint of unforgettable memories. Geirangerfjord, located in the heart of Norway, is a breathtaking marvel of nature that captivates visitors with its pristine beauty and serene atmosphere. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is renowned for its deep blue waters and dramatic waterfalls that cascade down sheer cliffs, creating a spectacle that is truly awe-inspiring. The fjord stretches for 15 kilometers, flanked by steep mountainsides that rise over 1,000 meters above sea level, creating a majestic backdrop that is both imposing and enchanting. Whether you are seeking a peaceful retreat in nature or an adventure in the great outdoors, it offers a truly unforgettable experience that will leave you inspired and rejuvenated. Plan your visit to this enchanting destination and discover the magic of it for yourself. Vinicunca, a natural wonder in the heart of the Andes, also known as Rainbow Mountain, is one of the most breathtaking geological formations in the Andes Mountains of Peru. This mountain is distinguished by its vibrant colors, formed by diverse mineral deposits in its sedimentary layers, giving it a unique and mesmerizing appearance. Visiting Rainbow Mountain is more than just a trip. It is an unforgettable adventure that blends natural beauty, cultural heritage, and a spirit of exploration. Yellowstone National Park is primarily located within the U.S. states of Wyoming, Montana, and Idaho. It is one of the world's most breathtaking natural wonders and a UNESCO World Heritage Site, known for its stunning beauty and unique ecological diversity. Spanning over 2 million acres, the park is famous for its diverse ecosystems, remarkable geological features, and rich wildlife. The park boasts breathtaking landscapes, including vibrant hot springs and steaming fumaroles, all showcasing its active volcanic origins. These extraordinary natural wonders make Yellowstone one of the most captivating destinations for adventure seekers and explorers. Torres del Paine National Park, located in the southern Patagonian region of Chile, is renowned for its stunning natural beauty and diverse ecosystems. This UNESCO Biosphere Reserve is home to soaring granite peaks, pristine glaciers, turquoise lakes, and lush forests. The park is named after its most iconic feature, the 3 granite towers that dominate the skyline. Whether you seek adventure, relaxation, or simply a chance to connect with nature, it offers an unforgettable experience that will leave you in awe of the beauty of the natural world. Palawan, Philippines, is one of the most beautiful travel destinations in the world, known for its breathtaking natural beauty and unique biodiversity. It is often called the last frontier of paradise on Earth, due to its crystal-clear turquoise waters, pristine white beaches, and lush tropical forests. Additionally, Palawan boasts stunning smaller islands like El Nido, famous for their clear waters and dramatic limestone cliffs. With its stunning landscapes and rich culture, this island remains a hidden gem in the Philippines, truly worth visiting and exploring. Tamul Waterfall, located in the state of San Luis Potosí, Mexico, is one of the most breathtaking natural attractions in the country. Towering at approximately 105 meters, 344 feet high, it cascades into the Tampaon River, creating a stunning turquoise spectacle and surrounded by lush jungle. Visiting it is an unforgettable experience, offering a perfect blend of adventure, tranquility, and natural beauty. If you're looking for a breathtaking escape into nature, this Mexican gem should definitely be on your bucket list. Meteor monasteries, located among the majestic mountains of Greece, stand as a testament to centuries of spiritual dedication and architectural beauty. These monasteries, perched atop towering cliffs, provide a tranquil sanctuary for those seeking solace and connection with the divine. It also known as the Meteora monasteries, are a complex of 6 Eastern Orthodox monasteries built on natural sandstone rock pillars. It offers a unique and unforgettable experience that is sure to leave a lasting impression on all who visit. Bali, often called the Island of the Gods, is a tropical paradise that captivates the hearts of travelers from around the globe. Located in Indonesia, this enchanting island is a harmonious blend of lush landscapes, vibrant culture, and tranquil beaches. Its verdant rice terraces and sacred temples showcase nature's beauty, while its bustling markets and lively festivals highlight a rich cultural heritage. Whether you're chasing sunsets on sandy shores, immersing yourself in art and tradition, or simply seeking peace in a tropical haven, it promises an unforgettable experience that lingers long after you leave. Banff National Park, located in the heart of the Canadian Rockies. It's a breathtaking expanse of pristine wilderness and one of the most iconic destinations in Canada. Established in 1885 as Canada's first national park, it is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts and nature lovers, offering majestic mountains, turquoise glacial lakes, and dense evergreen forests. From the mirror-like waters of Lake Louise and Moraine Lake to the towering peaks of the Icefields Parkway, every corner of it showcases the raw beauty of nature. It's more than just a destination. It's a journey into the heart of nature's grandeur. Its awe-inspiring landscapes, abundant wildlife, and endless opportunities for adventure make it a place where memories are made and horizons are expanded. Neuschwanstein Castle, located in the picturesque Bavarian Alps of Germany, is a true architectural masterpiece that epitomizes the Romanticism of the 19th century. Commissioned by King Ludwig II of Bavaria and designed by architect Eduard Riedel, this fairy tale castle is a symbol of opulence and grandeur. With its stunning turrets, ornate facades, and breathtaking surroundings, it is a testament to the king's love for the arts and his desire to create a fantastical retreat. A visit to this architectural marvel is a journey back in time, a chance to experience the splendor and romance of a bygone era in one of the most enchanting settings in Europe. Diamond Beach in Iceland is a mesmerizing natural wonder that captivates visitors with its unique beauty and ethereal charm. Located near the famous Jökulsárlón Glacier Lagoon, it is renowned for its striking contrast of black volcanic sands and glistening blocks of ice scattered along the shore, resembling diamonds in the sunlight. Visitors to it can witness nature's artistry at its finest, as the crystal-clear ice formations glimmer against the dark backdrop of the volcanic sands. It is a place of unparalleled beauty and significance, where nature's raw power and delicate beauty converge to create a truly unforgettable experience. Lovatnet Lake, located in the breathtaking region of Vestland, Norway, is one of the country's most serene and picturesque lakes. Located in the heart of the Jostedalsbreen National Park, it is surrounded by majestic mountains, lush greenery, and dramatic glaciers, creating an enchanting atmosphere. The lake is known for its striking turquoise waters, which are fed by glacial runoff, giving it a unique and vibrant color. With its stunning views, rich history, and tranquil environment, Lovatnet Lake is a popular destination for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Arches National Park, located in southeastern Utah, is a breathtaking natural wonder known for its stunning landscape of over 2,000 natural sandstone arches. The park, spanning more than 76,000 acres, offers a unique blend of geological formations, desert beauty, and diverse wildlife, attracting visitors from all around the world. Its iconic rock formations, such as the famous Delicate Arch, make it a must-see destination for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. It's a testament to the powerful forces of nature that have shaped the landscape over millions of years. Potash evaporation ponds in Utah, USA, are a vital part of the region's mining and chemical industry. These ponds are specifically designed to extract potash from salt-rich brine through evaporation, using natural heat from the sun. The process involves allowing water to evaporate, leaving behind the potash, which is then harvested for various agricultural and industrial uses. Utah is home to some of the largest and most significant potash reserves in the world, and the evaporation ponds play a crucial role in the state's economy. Lofoten, Norway is a mesmerizing archipelago renowned for its stunning natural beauty and picturesque landscapes. Located above the Arctic Circle, it's a place of ethereal charm, characterized by rugged mountains, crystal-clear fjords, and vibrant fishing villages. The dramatic peaks that rise from the sea create a breathtaking backdrop for visitors to explore and immerse themselves in the tranquility of this remote region. The pristine beauty of the archipelago, combined with the warmth and hospitality of its residents, creates a welcoming and enchanting destination for all who venture to this remote corner of the world. Death Valley National Park, located in California and Nevada, is one of the most unique and extreme landscapes in the United States. Known for being the hottest, driest, and lowest national park in North America, it spans over 3 million acres and is home to a diverse range of ecosystems, from sand dunes to salt flats, canyons, and rugged mountains. Its extreme environment has shaped a remarkable natural beauty, attracting adventurers, nature lovers, and photographers from around the world. Grand Canyon, located in the state of Arizona, United States, is a natural wonder that captivates visitors from around the world with its breathtaking beauty and geological significance. Carved by the Colorado River over millions of years, it is a testament to the power and beauty of nature. The layers of rock exposed in its walls tell a story that spans billions of years, providing scientists and visitors alike with a window into the planet's past. The canyon is home to numerous archaeological sites and ancient ruins, providing a glimpse into the rich history of the people who have called this area home. Mykonos is one of the most famous Greek islands located in the Aegean Sea and is considered one of the top travel destinations in the world. The island is known for its stunning natural beauty, golden beaches, and unmatched clear waters. Over the years, Mykonos has offered a unique blend of rich history and traditional culture with modern luxury. Its narrow streets and white buildings, along with the lively nightlife, make it the perfect destination for travelers from all over the world. Whether you're looking to relax on the beautiful beaches or explore its distinctive landmarks, Mykonos offers an unforgettable experience for all its visitors. Irazu volcano, located in the Central Valley of Costa Rica, is one of the country's most active and impressive volcanoes. Standing at 3,432 meters, 11,260 feet, it is the highest volcano in Costa Rica and attracts visitors with its stunning landscapes and breathtaking crater views. Known for its frequent eruptions and its role in the country's geological activity, it offers a unique glimpse into the powerful forces shaping Costa Rica's natural environment. Navaggio Beach, situated on the stunning Greek island of Zakynthos, is a captivating destination, renowned for its pristine beauty and crystal-clear turquoise waters. Also known as Shipwreck Beach, it boasts a unique blend of natural elements that make it a must-visit location for travelers seeking a serene and picturesque retreat. The focal point of it is the iconic shipwreck that lies stranded on its golden shores, adding an air of mystery and intrigue to the already breathtaking scenery. It stands as a testament to the natural wonders of the Mediterranean, inviting visitors to immerse themselves in its beauty and tranquility. It promises an unforgettable experience that captures the essence of Greece's enchanting landscape. Munich, the capital of Bavaria in Germany, is one of the most famous European cities, known for its rich history, stunning architecture, and high quality of life. It is renowned for beautiful gardens and its unique blend of tradition and modernity, making it a top destination for those seeking a rich cultural experience. In the end, it's a city that perfectly combines heritage and modernity, where historical palaces stand alongside sleek glass towers. Visiting it is an unforgettable experience for anyone looking to explore the vibrant heart of Germany. If you enjoyed this video and loved joining us on this journey, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new adventures. We have so many amazing trips and places waiting for you, and we want you to be a part of every step we take. Hit that subscribe button now, and let's embark on unforgettable adventures together.